So let's quickly review the Bricsys family of products. We offer two categories of solutions: CAD-based solutions for design, construction, and manufacturing, and cloud collaboration solutions for the AEC industry. First, we offer a light version for 2D workflows for our customers requiring Lisp routines, but without the need for an API for add-on software. Then we have BricsCAD Pro at the core. This is our flagship CAD solution serving all industry sectors. At the core of Pro is a solid set of tools for 2D and 3D with a familiar interface, making it easy to adopt. In addition, users can expand the capabilities of BricsCAD with the robust APIs. Then we have a BIM solution for the buildings industry, and it's based on our .dwg CAD platform so users can leverage 2D skills and get the maximum benefits from BIM. This means low risk, no loss of productivity, no retraining or reskilling needed. And crucially, unlike any other vendor, with Bricsys, the mechanical design tools are on the same platform. This offers workflows operating seamlessly for building products to be designed for manufacture with 100% fidelity. Together, this is BricsCAD Ultimate. For seamless cloud collaboration in AEC construction, you have Bricsys 24/7. Bricsys 24/7 is a simple yet powerful document management solution with CAD and model viewing, along with markup for project teams. 24/7 allows users to assign tasks or automate processes for construction management, workflows like RFIs, submittals, and daily reports. For users like construction managers, Bricsys 24/7 is a project management information system, or users can take their BIM projects to the next level by using 24/7 as a project's common data environment, or CDE. You can share models and all the project's associated documents. Bricsys 24/7 delivers better transparency and oversight of projects. This offers agility and decision-making and lowers the risk throughout the project lifecycle.